Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be making this triangle, and you can use this as for your bandana, or you can also use for the crochet top of your clothes for the corner. And I'm using this acrylic yarn, this color, and I'm using 3.5mm crochet hook. To start, we will do a magic ring. Chain of 3 and 3 double crochet inside the ring. And chain of 2, 1, 2, and do 4 double crochet inside the ring. Pull the tail like this and make a chain and cut the yarn. Now we will insert the hook in the chain of 3 right here. 1, 2, 3, and we will slip through your preferred color of yarn and chain of 3. Then we will do a 3 double crochet on this space in between this stitch. Make a 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And do a 3 double crochet on this space, 2, 3, and then chain of 2, and do again a 3 double crochet in the same space. And we will do a 3 double crochet on this in between this stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And we will do a double crochet above the chain here. And then chain and cut the yarn. And now we will hide the tail inside the stitches. And now we will do the same thing. We will insert the hook on the chain of 3, and we will slip the color, the change of color, and chain of 3, and again do a 3 double crochet on this space between the stitch. 2, 3, and then make a 3 double crochet on this space here. 3, and then do a 3 double crochet then chain of 2, and again another 3 double crochet on this. As you can see, you only add the chain of 3 on this corner. As you imagine, it's the corner of the square, and you just need to do there, and the other space you just need to do a 3 double crochet. And you can just repeat this one until you will reach the size of your triangle. You can add more color if you want. And then double crochet on the chain, and then chain and cut the yarn. So now you just need to repeat the same process. You will slip through the color on the chain of 3, and then 3 double crochet on the space right here, and then just do 3 double crochet on the space, and on the corner you do a 3 double crochet, chain of 2 and 3 double crochet, and just repeat that until you reach the color or the length as you like. And thank you for watching.